Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit Custom. This is a short wheelbase crew cab 6-seater van. This is a short wheelbase model coming to you with 49,000 miles upon the clock. Comes in a lovely eye-catching blue. This does come with cruise control, hands-free calling, voice assist, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, radio, air conditioning, heated seats for the driver and front passengers, 6-speed manual transmission as well. Now, just to show you the rear area for the passengers, as you can see, we have 3 bench seats with a lot of leg room and quite high seats as well, so your passengers will be very comfortable in here. And just to show you the rear load area, even though it's a short wheelbase crew cab medium-sized van, it is rather generous. The space you get in here is interior lit plyline and also cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, type in the reg just here, find out more about it. Or if you don't live too far away, come down to our site in Pabworth where you can discover more about this van, talk to one of our specialists about it. You never know, you might love this one so much, or you might find one which you like ever so slightly more. You never know, one day this may be on your driveway.